Gemini or Gemini is the latest AI chatbot or large language model developed by Google with the help of which we can instantly get answers to any question or query in any length and language of our choice because it supports more than 40 languages. It recognizes text, codes, images, and audio. Even before this, Google had created an AI named Bird, but due to some flaws in it, Google introduced Gemini instead. Let us see how you can save your time by using Gemini. To use Gemini, all you need is a smartphone or PC as well as a Gmail ID, which you already have. Open any browser and type gemini.google.com in the address bar and press enter. This link is also in the description. You can also click there. After that, you will get to see some interface like this. Now sign in by entering your Gmail ID and password, or you can sign in with your Google account without entering your Gmail ID and password. After that, this interface will appear. Now click on Chat with Gemini below and scroll down and agree to these terms and conditions. This is a welcome note. You may or may not tick this box. Click to continue. Now Gemini is all set for you. Let's type something here. How are you? And enter. It is an AI chatbot, so it can also reply like to persons in WhatsApp. Let's try another in Hindi language. या Gemini हिंदी में रिप्लाई दे सकता है. You can also ask anything through voice. Click on this and then click on allow to record your voice. We can also search something using image. For this, click on this image icon, then click on got it. Now click on image icon again and then select an image from the file manager. I select a cartoon computer image and ask what are the objects in the image. Enter. It takes few seconds and this is the result. Gemini can create AI image also. Let's see how. Craft an AI image of crocodile eating coconut. Let's see what will it show. These are the images crafted by Gemini. Similarly, you can also do different types of experiments. Now you can get information on many subjects at one place without searching Google and wandering on different websites. But remember, Gemini is now at the learning stage. So do not forget to cross-verify the information given by it because it can also give wrong answers. So this was all for today. Please like, share and subscribe.